perception of overwhelm. And the reason that I say perception is because overwhelm doesn't exist. No, it doesn't. And so here's the deal. As human beings, we can only really effectively focus on one thing at a time. One thing at a time.
Like goats. Or chickens.
Or chickens. Great examples.
Or dogs.
Or dogs. We've got one of those too. And so when you try to take on more than you can really handle at once, that's going to give you the perception of feeling overwhelmed. So when we feel that overwhelm creep in, what do? Don't lie. What I do is I retreat and I do nothing. And you're looking at this big ball of overwhelm of everything that you've got going on. It almost feels like a big messy ball of yarn, right? And so you don't unravel it by pulling everything out or by ignoring it. You take it string and you just focus on one thing at a time.